So the difference with these is we have that plus sign, and that means multiply. So this becomes x squared plus 24x equals 4. It's not x squared plus 24x equals 4, though, when you solve. When there's no log on the other side, it's this raised to this equals this. So x squared plus 24x equals 3 to the 4th. And you've got to get that order correct. It's 3 to the 4th, not 4/3. 3 to the 4th is 81. We got to get everything equal to 0. And in this case, I get two answers. I get x plus 27, x minus 3 when I go to factor it. My answers are negative 27 and 3. The only answer I use is 3. Because the log can't be negative. We can't have a negative here or here. So don't put a negative answer. Second one, same deal. Log base 2, I'm multiplying here. X squared plus 6x plus 5. That's x plus 1 times x plus 5 FOILed out. Equals 5. So it becomes log base 2, oops, I need to write that again, sorry about that. 2 to the 5th equals this. So 2 to the 5th equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. I'm going to change that 2 to the 5th to 32. 32 equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. When we subtract 32 on both sides, we get negative 27. This factors to x plus 9, x minus 3. So my answers are negative 9 and 3 when I factor it, but when I go back to my original, negative 9 creates negative numbers. No good. So my answer is simply just 3. Same deal. Log base 4, x plus 10 over x minus 20 equals 2. 4 to the 2 equals this. So x plus 10 over x minus 20 equals 4 squared. X plus 10 over x minus 20 equals 16. That's what 4 squared is. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator. So it's going to be x plus 10 equals, because when I multiply x minus 20 on this side, that cancels, 16 times x minus 20. X plus 10 equals 16x minus 320. I'm going to subtract x and get 15x. I'm going to add 320 and get 330. And when you divide by 15, I believe it's 17. No, not 17. It's going to be higher than that. 22. I believe it's 22. Someone have a calculator handy? I can check that. So yeah, 330 divided by 15 is 22. That does work out. All right, second one. Log base 5, 20x plus 10 over x equals 2, which means 5 squared equals the fraction. And once again, there's not a log on either side, so you just can't set them equal. So 20x plus 10 over x equals 5 squared, which is 25. I'm going to multiply x on both sides. 20x plus 10 equals 25x. We subtract 20x on both sides. 10 equals 5x, and we divide by 5. My x equals 2. And there's your answer. When we're dealing with an ln, we use e. When we're dealing with an e, we use ln. I'm going to go left column and then right column here. Okay? With an ln, that means we raise it, both things, where e is the base. So e to the natural log of x plus 4 equals e to the 5. And then e to the ln, we're just left with whatever the ln is. In this case, x plus 4. And then we have x equals e to the 5 minus 4. Now, on something like that, when I plug that in the calculator, e to the 5 is like 148 something. We're going to round to the nearest hundredth. My final answer is 144.41. Now, when you're given an e, you take the natural log of both sides. I would keep that natural log in a parenthesis for my calculator. The natural log of e, we're just left with the exponent. And then to solve for x, ln 5 minus 2. So when I do that, I do ln of 5 minus 2, and this ends up being a negative 0.39 as my answer. E to the ln x minus 2 equals e to the 7. X minus 2 equals e to the 7. And now it's just x equals 2 plus e to the 7th or e to the 7 plus 2. It really does not matter which one you use. Now I need to go to my calculator. And we're going e to the 7 plus 2. And you're going to get some, I don't want to say crazy numbers, but the answer's not going to be 4. Put it that way. Second one, we're going to get the e alone first. Don't go to the natural log until the e is alone first. Now, natural log of e to the x minus 3 equals natural log of 7. When I start moving things over, I'm going to put that natural log in parentheses. My x is going to be the natural log of 7 plus 3. So from there, it's just your calculator. Natural log of 7, and we get x equals 4.95. 4.95 minus 3, if I raise e to that, I get 7. Multiply it by 2, I get 14. But you can plug these numbers back in using your calculator and check your work. So I'll allow you to take the shortcut here, log of 47 over log of 5. And you can just type that into the calculator. So we have 47 log divided by 5 log. 2.39 is your answer. Log 68 over log 2. 68 log divided by 2 log. 6.09. Log base 90 divided by log base 3. So 90 log divided by 3 log. 4.10. And those are your answers. And that is the review for your test.